Updating your graphics driver should be the first thing you do after you buy/build your PC or if you experience a problem or a bug. It optimizes your performance, prevents crashes and freezes, and not updating it could lead to problems that could go as far as graphics artifacts. So worry not, because I'll tell you how to update it whether you're rocking green, red or blue. The first method, which is universal across the three brands, right-click on the Windows logo in the bottom left and open the device manager. Then, under display adapters, right-click on your GPU and select update driver. Search automatically for driver and then search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and make sure you have the latest Windows Update. The second method is to manually go to your manufacturer's website and select your GPU model and install its update. The third and recommended method is to install a tool that automatically updates the driver for you, whether you're using Intel, AMD or NVIDIA. I will link these three websites in a pinned comment. For NVIDIA users like me, you will be prompted to install GeForce Experience. After you follow the easy on-screen installation guide, select driver from the top left side and download the latest driver. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Maybe check out another video. Maybe this one. Or this.